Welcome to my podcast on user research. We will discuss various user research methods in this podcast. Let's understand what is user research. User research is a process to understand the user's needs, pain points, and wish lists in the context of a product or a service. A researcher needs to empathize with the end users in order to design user-friendly products and services. User research methods are applied before, during, and after the design to ensure the user is involved in each step of the design process. Some of the user research methods are contextual inquiry, stakeholder interview, ethnographic field study, focus group, card sorting, usability testing, survey, diary study, and eye tracking. I was fortunate to have conducted more than 250 user interviews and more than 150 usability tests with diverse users from remote villages in India to Silicon Valley in the US. Let's look at some of the user research methods. Contextual inquiry is a method where the researcher goes to the user's context to interview and observe the user. For example, if you are designing an application for a bank, then the bank is the context. The researcher needs to interview and observe employees in the bank while they are doing their day-to-day job. I will talk about this method in a separate podcast. Stakeholder interview is conducted to understand stakeholders' business goals, requirements, vision, and mission. It helps to understand the overall business ecosystem. Ethnographic field study is a method where researcher spends an extensive period with users in the context to understand the social, cultural, and economic aspects of users' lives. Focus group session is conducted to interact with multiple users together to understand their thoughts on the predefined agenda. It helps to gather insights from multiple users in one go. Card sorting is conducted to understand information grouping patterns and priorities from stakeholders in order to define an information architecture. Usability test is conducted to evaluate existing application or a new design with the end users by letting them perform a few tasks on it. Usability tests can be conducted in a lab, in a context, or remotely by using various testing tools. They can be formative tests when the design is getting formed, or they can be summative when the design is near final. I will also talk about this method in a separate podcast. Survey is a method where questionnaire is circulated through an email, a web platform, or a telephonic call to collect insights from a large set of users. This qualitative method helps to reach out to a large set of users without meeting them in person. Diary study is conducted by providing a diary to the end users for a period of several weeks or months so that they can note down their usability observations and pain points as and when needed. Such diaries are collected later to analyze users' feedback. Eye tracking is conducted by deploying a tracking tool on users' machines to understand where, when, and why users look at a specific portion of the UI. To summarize this podcast, user research is an integral and important part of user-centered design. The user needs to be involved in each step of the design process in order to design user-friendly products and services. We need to spread awareness about user research in order to practice it effectively. Thank you.